Hi, hi everybody. Welcome you all back to your channel, that is Abeg. How are you? Fine. I hope you all are fine and I am also fine. So dear children, today I have come to you with a new video, and right now we are going to play a funny game. Okay, students? And that's why I have brought your new friend Onis in front of you. Onis, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Actually, right now Onis is going to count forward counting. Okay. So at first, Anish is going to do forward counting from 1 to 100. Okay, students, then he will count in backward, that is 100 to 1. Okay, so let's start. So Anish, let's start. At first, you count forward, okay, from 1 to 100. Let's start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 17, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 7, 8, 8, 0, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Okay, you have done a good job. Now you count backward, okay? You count from 100 to
1,
1. Okay, let's start.
100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 96, 95, 90, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 60, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 50, 58, 57, 56, 55, 50, 54, 53, 50, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 45, 40, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40.
Yes. Then
39, 30, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 30, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 20, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, very good. You have done a good job. So students, Anis have completed all the counting forward and backward. And I request you all, please, you also try to do this, okay? And tell me how many of you can do it complete correctly. Okay, students? So no more today. The next day, we shall discuss another topics in my next video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. And remind you one thing, if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, students? Bye.